The Promise We Made. In the quiet, picturesque town of Willowbrook, there lived a young couple, Sarah and David. Their love story was one for the ages, a tale of two souls intertwined from childhood through their adult years. They first met in the second grade, when Sarah, the new girl in town, was seated next to David in class. His mischievous grin and twinkling eyes captured her heart right away. From that moment on, they became inseparable. As the years went by, their friendship blossomed into love. They shared dreams, secrets, and countless adventures. They had a special spot in the woods near Willowbrook Lake, a hidden clearing surrounded by tall oak trees. They named it our sanctuary. It was there that they made a promise that would change their lives forever. One warm summer evening, with fireflies lighting up the sky and the scent of wildflowers in the air, Sarah and David sat in their sanctuary. They gazed at the stars and shared their dreams of traveling the world together, building a cozy house by the lake, and raising a family. That night, they made a promise to each other. They locked eyes, and David said, "No matter where life takes us, no matter the challenges we face, we'll always find our way back to this place, to our love." Years passed, and their love endured. They married in a simple ceremony by Willowbrook Lake, under the same oak trees that had witnessed their childhood friendship. Life was filled with joy as they built their dreams together. But as with any great love story, challenges arose. David's career led him to the bustling city of New York, while Sarah pursued her passion for teaching in Willowbrook. They faced the pain of separation, the loneliness of missing each other, and the strain that distance put on their once unshakable bond. But they never forgot their promise to return to their sanctuary. One fateful day, as they celebrated their 15th wedding anniversary, they decided it was time to fulfill that promise. David moved back to Willowbrook, and together they bought a small house by the lake, just as they had dreamt. It was a symbol of their enduring love, the realization of their dreams. Their sanctuary became more than a place, it was a testament to their love's strength. They spent their evenings watching the sunset by the lake, just as they had when they were kids. And as they looked at each other with the same love that had ignited in their hearts years ago, they knew that some promises are meant to be kept, no matter the distance, time, or obstacles that life may throw your way. In the end, Sarah and David's love story taught the town of Willowbrook and the world at large that true love, once made and cherished, can weather any storm and find its way back to where it all began, the sanctuary of the heart. It was a story that proved love knows no bounds, and that some promises are eternally binding.